Hey there, Alta Beauty team. I was checking out your Amazon strategy and your product. The Clear Face Sunscreen caught my attention. First, congrats on earning the star ratings and the Amazon Choice Badge. It is impressive in such a competitive category. By the way, my name is Jenny, a business development representative here at Me Amazon Guy, and I noticed a few things that could help you drive even more traffic, conversions, and market share, and I'll show you all of this in a quick video. So let's dive right in. Now, what drives traffic into your listing? That's through the list of your keywords. And I see you're banking for over 7,700 of organics and bidding for 4,000 of keywords. You have a huge numbers in all areas. Well done. But we would still like to see one is it's a healthy ratio. And that means for every paid keyword, we aim 2 to 3 organics. That's why I encourage you to increase or add more for these since these are for free. These are your free traffic. Now let's go and check these keyword phrases. So these are the highly searched keywords under your category. And it's great to see that you were able to index for a lot of keywords right here, like this sunscreen. But I still notice a higher double to triple digit. So you're still buried deep pages down. Now let's have this the face sunscreen over 100,000 in searches and great job for ranking organically at 38 and also for bidding. And now let's go ahead and check how big this category and why you would still want to rank on the single digits for both. Now, just in the top 50 listings in this keyword alone are easy monthly revenue of $26.1 million dollars earned by the sellers. And I can see that you actually topped this result. And I would like to say congratulations for that. But take note, competitors are also generating a revenue. And that's why we need to step up your game. I analyzed one of your competitors in here, and this is not to do a product comparison. Well, there might be a difference when it comes to the packaging, the price point, the quality, but you both belong in the same category and you have the same approach. And we're just checking out how they are performing and strategizing, and so we can benefit from their keywords and incorporate them into your strategy. And as you can see, your competitor in here also has a higher keyword variation or also have a high keyword variations, and they're even ranking on the single digits. And there could be chances that they could beat you in the near future, and that is something that we don't want to happen. That's why keyword research analysis is really necessary. We can even check your strikes and keywords or those ranking from 20 through 50, and you get 1900 of keywords that are not producing much for you since you can be found at the bottom of the page one. And of course, we can help you move these single digits as these are part of our third or fourth phase SEO process here at Me Amazon Guy. Now let's go back to your product detail page to further optimize it. Let's start with your images. So you have more than six. Well done for this one. For your product title, you should maximize up to 200 characters. Well done for having your 5 bullet points. And take note that your SEO is not a set and forget since search engine algorithms and online user behavior constantly evolve. So have a regular update. Now, scrolling down, I'm happy to see that you have utilized an e-plus content and a brand story. But you can still improve this by having those copies and crawlable text for you to index better, generate a lot of traffic, and that's good for SEO, not only for Amazon, but also for Google. Along with the alt text, we can maximize these by also incorporating common misspellings and Spanish words that your customers might input in searching for your product. And yes, this is just a glimpse of how we can help increase your market share and optimize your listing on Amazon. And you should take advantage of our free consultation to discuss this further. From PPC and SEO to catalog troubleshooting, creatives, and brand protection, we cover all pillars of Amazon growth. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start scaling, let our data back strategies and hands on team take your brand to the next level. Thanks for watching and have a great day.